They say the bigger the better. But what if more is just too much? Consider this a cautionary tale, because 100 layers is just too much. Come on, go faster! Let's go! This is the best manicure I've gotten in months! Just look at these gorgeous hands! Leo, do you love them? Still hooked on that stupid game. Don't his hands hurt him yet? Hey, look at those hair ties. That gives me an idea. Huh? Come on, focus! Do I have your attention yet? Hello? Hair tie at 1 o'clock! Ha! What's going on? Gotcha now! Hey! Here comes another one! More! Ugh! What gives? Ha! Oh, nothing? Wait! My score! I lost it all! And it's all your fault! You shall be punished! Aw, man. Alright, bring on the layers. 100 hair ties coming right up. Whoa. That's a lot of hair ties. And they're all for you. Let's get this party started then. So far, this feels pretty normal. But I've got way more to go. So many fun colors. How does it look now? Kinda cool, don't you think? Like a fun rainbow growing out of my head. I can't believe I'm only in the 30s. Now we're making some headway. Good thing I have such long hair, right? Phew! Hand cramp! Almost halfway! Man, it's like these things will never end. Almost to the end of my hair here. And we're still in the 50s. Phew! There. Whoa! Gotcha! I'm not used to all that weight. Just try to sit still and straight. There! Gah! What? Oh! My bad! This angle is way safer. And you can grab these things super fast. Man, this stuff isn't all that easy. But I think I get it. Huh? You really think this looks good? I guess I could try this again. How about this approach? I'll aim it like a slingshot. See? This town ain't big enough for the two of us. Phew! Boom! Pow! Now we're really making progress. See? I could do this all day if I wanted. But thankfully I don't have many more to go. 2 more coming right at ya! Last 2! I did it! This actually looks kind of awesome. I did great. Let's go! On second thought… Uh-oh! Maybe I'll just hang out on the couch. Get these things off me, please. Help is on the way, Julie. Don't worry. This may take a while. They're on tight. Another one bites the dust. There. Okay, now check it out. You like? Like? Try long! These curls are to die for! My makeup's almost done, Leo. I just want a little more glitter here. Ugh. Julie! Do you mind? Oh. Sorry. Too late. 100 layer time. Well, I'm thinking the other way around. Don't compute. 100 layers of makeup, huh? This is gonna be very interesting. Hopefully this brush is the right one. As long as it gets on my face, I guess. Each stroke counts as 1 layer. And we're only just beginning here. How do so many girls wear this stuff? Am I even doing this right? This is getting really messy. But I think I'm making some progress. Ooh, these colors will look nice together. Don't you agree? Plus, I get way more layers in this way. And this stuff is really cold. But I think I'll do just fine. More colors! I need more colors! I'm like a walking powdered rainbow. And I'm finally halfway through the layers. Phew! Just rubbing it all in. It kinda looks cool, but it could use a little more glitter. Okay, a lot more glitter. Nice. Just gotta watch out for the eyes. Isn't this cool just divine? And we're in the 80s, people. Home stretch. My lips are gonna finish us off. And 100! Uh-oh. How'd you do? Looks about right. Oh, a date? Thought he'd never ask. Gotta touch up. Hey! You used all of my makeup! But I guess you can still share it. You don't mind if I snag some, do you? Thanks. I only need a little bit for my eyes. Or maybe I should suck in my cheeks. Girls are weird. Really weird. Come on, move, Mr. Noseman! Did she just say Noseman? Anyway. There! Time to post this to the gram! Okay, I gotta see what she was doing. Julie's page. There. So tired. Almost there. How'd she get so many views? Okay, I'm ready. Talk to us, nostril guy. Like this. Just move your mouth. Done. And for me? 10 views? This has to be a mistake. Why did Julie get so many likes? Unless… I got it! She's really out cold, huh? This ought to be really interesting. Oh, Julie? Huh? What the… Is that a giant booger? Worse! A piercing! Just look at her face. Ugh. You're so gonna pay for that. Ta-da! Aw, man. You like jewelry, right? 100 pieces. All for you. I guess I'll start with this big guy. Right onto the nostril, huh? Next up. A matching one, of course. Close enough. Ooh, I really like this one. My ears never look so stylish. Gotta get this ear caught up. I'm running out of stuff here. So the forehead is getting decorated. I'm really digging this pop of color. Whoa! Never thought I'd pierce my brows. I don't hate it. Saved this guy for the very end. Gotta get a little creative here. I've run out of skin after all. Ta-da! 100! This has gotta be fashionable somewhere. Hey, you actually did it, Leo. Oh, who's this? Oh, hey. Yeah, I'm leaving now. What? I thought you said 6:30. Sorry about that. I've been thinking about this thing all day. But I could use some whipped cream. Is she gone? I'm going in. She's gonna think this is whipped cream. But sure doesn't taste like it. Oh. That's weird. Guess it's already good to go. Well, I'll just use my hands. Who cares? Huh? What's wrong with this thing? Leo! You're the worst! Read it and weep. 100 layers? No! Oh yeah! Ha! Let's get this party started. Come here. We've got some shaving cream to spread. I'll make it nice and easy for you. Okay, here we go. Wait! My shirt! Really? I'll wait. Oh, I won't let this distract me. Ready now? Huh? Layer 1 done. At least let me protect my eyes. Fine. I'm not aiming for your face anymore. I'll pour this on at high speed. Why is it so cold? I need more skin. Aw. No time for cutesy stuff, okay? I'm really getting through these layers. 2 cans are better than 1. Slow down, Jules! Oh yeah? Take this! And don't forget about this plate! Hey, this is kinda like hair gel. Hold on. We're far from done here, okay? Why don't you have more skin here? I'll just move up. There, now we're getting stuff done. Great! I need something stronger. Bring on the foam, baby! Just a few more layers and we're done! Hang in there, Leo! Mission accomplished. I can barely even see you under there. Wait! I can't see anything! Better? Let me help you there. Julie! What are you doing? No! There. That stuff did wonders for your skin. Really? Maybe I should use this stuff. What would you like to experience 100 layers of? Whipped cream? Chocolate sauce? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos!